Hello guys, welcome to Gabriel's Show Season 4. And even though you guys didn't put comments on the videos that had comments that you guys really wanted to see the speaker chest of the JBL Club 4, even though guys, the special video that you guys must have wanted is coming at the first video of Season 4. As before, I didn't have a place where I could put it like loud or even maximum volume. So we're gonna be playing quite a few songs, but we are going to start with some from the Samsung Music. So it's on about, I'm guessing, 8% volume, so I'll just play it. So this is Galaxy S Music, so just real quick here, change it. Okay guys, I changed it to something more live. It's pretty loud. Wasn't even the whole way. Let me show you. See, sometimes it does that. Wait, let me just show you something that's a bit annoying with the JBL Clip 4 here. Once you want to put the volume here, it's pretty crazy loud. You can't adjust it more than full volume, which is a bit annoying because I don't know what happened. Like, I connected that to a Galaxy A5 2017 once. It's quite an old phone. It was pretty broken down phone, but still working. Bro, it stayed stuck on full volume. I was like sweating because it was so loud. Like, I swear once things gets a bit too loud. So let's head over to Samsung Music and play some of the stuff that nobody can resist, especially me. You know, the best song in the world, guys. The Pokemon Go song remix. Have to backspace this and put Pokemon song, Pokemon theme song. Okay, guys, let's get to it. Oop. Bass is very good on a little speaker like this. Now we're just gonna scroll to 6 to find a nice bit that we all like. Here. 3, 2, 1. The bass went crazy. I can't even get it on full volume for some reason, but I gotta say it's a very loud for its form factor. You ready? It's pretty hefty, right, man? And we can't even get it to full volume. That's just how sweaty I am. So I hope you have seen how it literally is listening to music on this portable speaker. I gotta say, the bass and the loudness on this thing is very crazy. Just the only downside that I've seen yet is if you put it on full volume, then the next time you want to put it, it just makes this noise, and you can only have to put it down, which is a bit annoying, but no one's really gonna play this crazy speaker on full volume, you know what I mean? So I guess we're gonna play the first one, and then we'll say peace out. It's pretty hefty, I gotta say. So we're playing approximately 35 to 40% volume. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Feel the bass, man. I don't know how it's just made how it's so loud. It kind of sounds like a cinema, like there's speakers all over this room, like it's just crazy. So I hope you enjoy this, and peace out.